Hi everyone, this is Bread vs. Rice here with actually my first unboxing video. I've never done one of these videos before. And I'm going to try and review the Huion H610 tablet. It looks kind of like this when it's still in its box. But that's going to be what I'm going to unbox and try to review today. And the reason I bought this tablet is because, for those of you that don't know, I'm currently attending a university in Japan, working on a project called the Space Elevator, and it's nothing major at the moment, but for our class, we're working on just building a model climber for the space elevator competition, and this is the design that we have so far. It's just a motor, some gears, it'll turn some wheels, and hopefully this will climb up the cable. And in order to design this, we've been using 3D CAD software among other types of software, and I decided that I wanted to be able to draw digital drawings on the computer, which we can import into some of the 3D CAD software to make 3D models. And that's what I'm hoping that we can do. I've also realized, though, that for the product itself, it has a lot of issues with some drivers. Sorry, there's some neighbors outside. It's got some issues with drivers. With Windows and Mac. A lot of people have been talking about those. So my next video, I'm going to work on installing the product and showing you guys how to install it, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. After that, I'll do a work in progress video to show how it actually works, how it feels. So without further ado, this is video 1, and I'm going to tilt the camera down, if I can, like so. So this is the box for the tablet. I actually ordered this from China, off of eBay, as everything is ordered off of China and from eBay. So, I've got some batteries and some scissors. I paid about $55 US for this, so this cost me about $55 US, and I bought it on January 3rd, 2014, is when I placed my order. And it finally came in today, being January 25th. In other words, it took about 22 days to get here. So I had long, sleepless nights waiting for this thing to get here. But I did the cheapest shipping, and they sent it to Sweden, and then it came to Japan. So yeah, China to Sweden to Japan. It's pretty crazy, pretty crazy. So I'm going to just go ahead and open this up. And here is the tablet box. Dear valued customer. Right. So this is the Huion H610 tablet box. That's what it looks like. That's what it is. And so here we go. The unboxing. See if I can figure out how to do this. We've got our main flap here. And the box just kind of opens up. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. Okay, so we've got, first I guess we'll do this. We've got, looks like four pen nibs. I don't know how well you can see that, but 4 pen nibs and a clamp. And the clamp is used pretty much to pull the nibs out of the pen. Looks like there is a cap that the pen sits in, and it goes on top of the pen nibs like so. And that sits somewhere, and you can rest the pen on it. From the videos I've seen anyway. It looks like we've got a connector cable. We've got a USB connector on one end that goes into the PC, or eventually I'm hoping to find some drivers for Android so I can set it up with a tablet and just have a large drawing space with one of my tablets while I'm at school, so I don't have to lug around a big laptop. So that's the cable, clips, and this piece. And if we open this, it looks like we've got the tablet right in here. Wow, look at this. This is quite amazing. I'm actually quite surprised. We've got the number on the back, so you can see that. That is the number for the tablet I'm using, FCC, right? Pen tablet, made in China, 5 volts, 60 milliamps, right? That's the back. It's got rubber stoppers, so that'll keep it, you know, with a nice grip on the surface of whatever, you know, table I'm using. Flip it over, and this is the tablet. This is the tablet right here, the Huion H610. I don't know how well you can see this, and from all the videos I've seen, no one's ever really mentioned this, but it feels really nice. It's sleek, it's light, it feels crisp and firm, and it's freaking awesome. And there's buttons along the side here for the H10, and these buttons actually do different functions. Okay, had a little bit of a delay in there. I actually live at a share house, which is to say I live at a house somebody owns, and I have one of their rooms. Luckily, this is actually pretty cheap for me, and it's only about 5 minutes from school. But because of that, lots of people come and go, you know. So yeah, that's the tablet. It looks really nice. I love the buttons. The click on each of these buttons, when you click that, feels really nice. It's a nice pushback. It's a nice spring. You've got buttons along the top up here, or I should say a location along the top, where if you tap with the pen, you can have hotkeys binded to them. I like the fact that they're small, so that they're not in the way, and you can press them. So that is our tablet. Next, inside the tablet, we've got some installation CDs, some driver CDs, and what I learned from online is that these are more than likely going to be outdated. This product that I purchased, it took 2.5 weeks to get here. Before that, the company I purchased it from probably bought a whole bunch of them wholesale, which means that it took them 2 to 3 weeks to get them. So these drivers in this CD is probably a month or more old. So I'm going to go to the website actually and download the most updated drivers. I'm probably not going to use the CD. Next, we've got the pen, and it's actually much lighter than I thought. Everybody said it was kind of heavy. Of course, I haven't put the battery in yet. But this is our pen. I'm going to open it, and we're going to try to take it out. It's got a nice long nib. I like the length of the nib here. You've got a nice length, and pushing on that, actually, it seems very stiff isn't the word I would use, but there's a lot of force. It takes a lot of push to push the tip in a lot, and I guess that's where they get their pressure sensitivity. I have another pen for my tablet. Actually, it is a Samsung Galaxy Note 2, and this is the pen that came with it. And this pen, the tip is very loose. You can push that and you can feel it move in quite a lot. This one, it's a lot stronger, it's a lot larger, it feels like a pen. To be completely honest, I really don't like this. It's thin, it's small, and it feels like I could break it pushing when I use it to write. I don't like it. This, oh, that is nice. It'd be cool if this worked on the Galaxy Note, but it won't. And you've got the button on this end, so that you can turn it on and turn it off, no eraser. And then you have the battery. And this battery will go in the pen. It's a AAA battery, is what this particular battery is. And it just goes in the pen in the back here. And that's that. So that is our unboxing. I believe that is everything. Yes, that is everything. Alright, next I'm going to go into the drivers and kind of talk a little bit about how to install those. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a little bit of a size comparison with my laptop. So, this computer right here is my laptop. And this is the keyboard area here, your mouse, your trackpad. and I don't know if you can see that, there it is. And this is the Huion tablet. And it just about covers the keyboard perfectly. I mean, this sucker is about the size of the keyboard. And in the drawing area, the drawing space, you can compare it to a little bit larger than the size of your keyboard. So it's really nice. And I'm hoping maybe to find a way to attach this to the back of my screen. So let's see if I can do this. Okay. Find a way to attach this to the back of the laptop screen so that I can make a drawing space, so that I can use the pen on the screen, kind of like a touch screen. I want to figure out how to do that too. Just mess around with it and, you know, get an LCD panel and try some different options. I'm really looking forward to giving that a shot. So that is the unboxing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you want to see anything in particular, just let me know and I'll try to show you. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I will catch you in the next video. So have a good day, or night, or whatever, depending on how late you stay up.